Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and this video is a little bit different than the other videos that I make. This one is about grandkids that live far away from you. Now, I'm a grandmother. My granddaughter is only 5 years old, but being that they live so far, I make it a point to send her a picture of her grandmother and her grandfather, which is me and my husband. I make it a point to send her a picture every single time that I send her something. So for Christmas, Halloween, birthdays, I always send her something, unless we're over there or they're over here. So I'm going to dress up this picture with a cardboard. I'm going to wrap it up with this nice paper, and then the borders are going to be orange, being that it's Halloween time. So we're going to do that together. I'm going to show you how I do it. And so I have a Selfies Gone Wild calendar. Look at this. Look at how cute. From the Dollar Tree. Isn't that cute? So she's going to get this calendar. She's going to get this nice plate. Look at that. From the Dollar Tree. This is for the hair. Then we got some candy corn here with a pumpkin head. We have a pack of skeletons stickers. We have some felt owls. Look at that, how cute. We have, look at this pack of pencils. Pencil crayons. Look at that, how beautiful. And then we have a card for her. So this batch of things, I'm going to put it in that envelope. But let's dress this up first, so you'll see how it's going to come out. So I'm going to put the camera right here, and I'm going to work on it while you look. Okay. So first, we're going to take this and cut it. Okay, we're gonna do just like we're wrapping a Christmas present. So this is our cardboard. Okay, we're gonna cut to the size. Okay, just like if we were wrapping a Christmas present. Look how nice it starts looking. This is cute paper from the Dollar Tree. Then I have my tape here. You watch how this will come out. I have to cut excess paper. We don't want that. So yeah, I make it a habit that every single time that I send her something, she's going to receive a picture of us. Like that will maintain, they remember you and they keep remembering you, being that we don't see them that much. You know what I mean? Because sometimes when you don't see these kids for so long, and then you see them, they are extremely shy, and then you become like those far grandparents, that they never see. So at least through a picture, anytime we don't see her, at least she sees us. I mean, we know that there's always like FaceTime and all that stuff, but besides that, I'm just saying something she could keep in her room, a picture of us. So since she receives it each time, and it could be a different picture. I don't send the same picture all the time, but it could be the same picture. So there we go. Look at how cute that is. So now we're going to place our picture on here like that. Okay, we're gonna place it like that. To tell you the truth, I do have double-sided tape If you bear with me for a second, I can go and get it. Just hold on just for a sec. You can look at this while I'm gone, okay? Oh my God, I'm so sorry now. I didn't think of that. Okay, I'll be right back in a sec. Wow, thank you so much for being patient and waiting. Okay, so let's get back to this. Now, first I'm going to do the double-sided tape, okay? You'll see how this comes out in a minute. This won't take long. Okay, we're almost done. One more piece of tape. Okay, so we have our double tape on it, right? And we're gonna place it just like that. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna add the orange tape to the corners, okay? So we're gonna do that right now. This is a type of duct tape I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, cut the excess. Okay, this is what it's going to look like in the corners. I have to do the other side now. This tape can easily stick to wherever, to your fingers, to the paper, and some paint. Really sticks. Okay, now we have to do, you see it from here? You have to do the bottom and the top. I'm almost finished, so bear with me for a sec. Actually, this is the first time that I do this as far as like framing the picture. Usually I just send her a copy of the printout. But I had this idea like that she can keep it in her room or something. Almost done. Almost done. One more. You have to do the top here. almost done here. Okay. And sometimes you'll have excess in the corners, so you can cut that out. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, so we are done. So this is it. So that's the picture, and it's going to go with the Halloween stuff right here, right there. You have all her little goodies. So that's that. That's her package. Okay, so if you have grandkids that live very far and you rarely see them, this is a good way to just, besides FaceTime and all that, some people don't have FaceTime, so this is a good way to keep connected with them. Okay, alrighty, I hope that you like this idea, and thank you for watching.